25, the world stands more connected and more fragile than ever before. But what if two nuclear nations go to war? What would happen not just politically but scientifically to our planet, our atmosphere, our food, and our future? Let's look on the scientific impact of nuclear war. Nuclear weapons today are far more powerful than the ones used in Hiroshima or Nagasaki. A single modern warhead can unleash energy equal to millions of tons of TNT. That's called a megaton. When a bomb detonates, it releases a fireball hotter than the sun. Thermal radiation that causes third-degree burns mile away. Blast pressure that levels building. And ionizing radiations that shatter DNA in living organisms. But that's just the beginning. Let's talk about what scientists fear most. Nuclear winter. In a regional nuclear war, say 100 warheads, massive fires would inject millions of tons of black soot into the upper atmosphere. Result: global temperature could drop 1 to 5 degrees Celsius within weeks. Crops would fail, famines would begin, even countries not involved in the war would suffer. Now let's go beneath the surface literally. Radioactive fallout would contaminate soil, making farming unsafe for decades. Radiation like cesium-137 and strontium-90 binds to soil particles and enter the food chain through crops, through water into our bodies. Rivers, lakes, groundwater all are vulnerable to radioactive leaching. Radiation exposure leads to what is known as acute radiation syndrome, nausea, bleeding, hair loss, and death. Long-term effects include cancer spikes, genetic mutation, and birth defects for future generations. It is not about dying immediately. It is about a slow multi-generation suffering at the cellular level. Birds, insects, mammals, microbes, all are vulnerable. Post-war Chernobyl studies show us that radiation wipes out biodiversity and alters ecological balance for decades. Studies from Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and Chernobyl survivors show increased mental health issues, PTSD, anxiety, and depression. And perhaps more chilling, radiation damages DNA. Future generations may inherit these changes. We are not risking today, we are writing human biology. This is not science fiction, the science is real. The stakes are unimaginable. In 2025, a nuclear war between any two nations would not just destroy cities, it would dismantle life systems globally. Share this, talk about this. The best war to survive a nuclear war is to make sure it never happens.